I challenge you to recreate this little experiment at home.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us. I wanna go, do you wanna follow?
Hola gente, what's up guys? In today's video we're going to put to the test one of the claims of Olaplex #6 that you guys requested me to put to the test. We're basically going to do a little experiment and try to figure out whether Olaplex #6 Bond Smoother Leave-In Reparating Styling Cream actually speeds up the blow dry time or not. Alright, so I'm going to apply the Olaplex #6 only on the right side. I'm going to start blow drying the side with the Olaplex #6 on first, and I'm going to time it. Let's start.
Feel the music, the rhythm, a heart on a mission. Can't fight the feeling, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control. Got emotions, they all wanna go dance. Sweat in an ocean, and I'm not denying.
Alright, so I'm gonna stop the timer. It's been 10 minutes and 12 seconds. And yeah, I would consider this side completely blow dried by now. Let's see what happens with the other side.
First time on the floor, but I'm into it. Nervous from my knees to my fingertips. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back tonight.
Now, as you guys just saw with your own eyes, I used the exact same brush and the exact hair dryer, my Elgin 3900. The only difference is the application of the Olaplex #6 on the right side. Alright, so the side without Olaplex #6 took me 10 minutes and 14 seconds to blow dry. So I guess it is safe to say that there's not a significant difference, at least with these one experiment that I just did, and hence I cannot say that Olaplex #6 actually does speed up the blow dry time. Does that mean that you don't need Olaplex #6 in your life? Of course not. Now that I have these two side by side, I can tell you that the side with Olaplex #6 is indeed a lot smoother than the side without. It does look a little bit more like freeze-free, and also the ends feel a lot more hydrated on the side with the Olaplex #6. So the benefits are there, guys. Olaplex's main goal is to protect your hair and reverse the damage you've done to your hair by, processing, coloring it, bleaching it, using heat, and all those things. So I do think it's a great idea to have that protection with you at all times. That should be the one reason behind your purchasing decision. Now, if you guys were attracted to that specific claim that it would speed up your blow dry time, this product is not for you. Don't get it because you're going to be disappointed. If you guys already own an Olaplex #6, I challenge you to recreate this little experiment at home and then putting your results in the comments down below. I am very intrigued to see if you guys experience the same thing. So that's it for now, guys. This video is absolutely not sponsored, so if you guys want to help me out, please subscribe, comment, like, share, and use my affiliate links in any of my videos because all that really helps. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me here today.